Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome back. We're looking at question 12 in this video on the 2008 Fermat paper. On 7 tests, each out of 100 marks, Siobhan, I honestly have no idea how to pronounce this name. I couldn't even guess what the ethnicity is. Doesn't matter. It just, it certainly doesn't matter on a contest. You just see the name. Usually you pick out, oh, it's an S, so I might label variables by S. But I have to actually present these on a video, and I have no idea how to pronounce this name. Siobhan is how I'm going to say it. Received marks of 69, 53, 69, 71, 78, X, and Y. If her average mark on the 7 tests is 66, then the minimum possible value of X is. Okay. So we know the average is 66. We know a lot of the marks, but we don't know X and Y. So there's some wiggle room. There are some possibilities. But I do know that 66 is the average. And so that's 69 plus 53 plus 69 plus 71 plus, I think it was 78. So we just add up all the marks that she got, divide by 7. So if I want to rearrange this, I could multiply both sides of this expression by 7. And we'll just grab our calculator there. So multiply 66 by 7, that's 462. So 462 is, and then what's 69 plus 50? Actually, I should probably double check that I got these numbers correct. 69, 53, 69, 71, 78. Okay. Just add those up just so we can simplify the right-hand side. And I get 340. So that's 340 plus X plus Y. So if I just wanted to talk about X and Y, subtract 340 from both sides, that'd be 122. Okay. Now, the marks are out of 100. Okay. Now, we're trying to figure out what's the smallest X could be. So if X is as small as possible, then Y should be as big as possible. So we want X to be small, Y to be big. Well, what's the biggest Y can be? Just like X couldn't be a negative number, Y can only be at most 100. Now, if this were something like 98, that wouldn't really come into play. You just say X is 0, Y is 98, we're done. But we've got 122, which means Y alone cannot make up the full mark. But we could say let Y be 100. Maybe she gets 100 on one of the marks. And that would mean that X has got to be 22. So another way to see this, I guess, would be to say, all right, I know X plus Y is 122. I know that so rearranging this, we say X is 122 minus Y. Now I know Y is between 0 and 100. I even said Y is less than or equal to 100 right here. And so that would mean that that X is between 122 and 22. But X is also, because it's a test, between 0 and 100. So the values of Y, we sort of combine these two together and say, well, at most, values of X. At most, X can be 100. But at least X is 22, and so that's the smallest value we go for. 22 is the first one. It's A. So there we go. And that finishes off question number 12. I will see you guys in the next video for the next question.